Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today guys is video day. Now I know you've never seen me like this, but I purchased a wig and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how this wig looks, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay guys, here's the box that it's in, and this brand is called Bobby Boss. Okay, I purchased it at my local beauty supply. I wanted to try out this wig to see how it looked on me, because on the mannequin head it looked really nice, and it was reasonably priced. I want to say it's $119 for this wig. Now I like the box, it's kind of cute, and get it out the box. It says here is the style number and the name. Okay, it comes box like this with a tissue paper. Okay, now unboxing. Now on here it has a little about the wig. It says, excuse my eyes guys, it says the lace front wigs give you the most natural hairline with an ear-to-ear lace finish. Each hair strand on the lace is individually knotted, allowing the look to move of a natural hair in a wide spectrum of dazzling colors and elegant styles. Okay, so let's take it out the box, and the netting. Scissors here. It also has some little tape strips included to hold your wig down if you want to use those. Now as you see, it does have the lace on the front. And inside it has a clip at the front, two clips on the side, and then it has the elastic bands here on the side and the comb at the back. The curls are a bit tight for me. But it is a nice looking wig. So let's try this on my head to see how this looks. I think it looks pretty good. think it looks pretty good, guys. Now I need to cut off this lace. Okay, guys, after some playing with it and styling it, I think it looks pretty good. I wanted something shoulder length because it's hot as cuckoo birds here in Houston, and it's not even summer yet. We're at, I think yesterday we were at 90 something yesterday, and it's not even summer. So that lets me know this year in Houston we're going to be hitting 100 for a couple of days. So with me here playing with it, I like the way it feels. It's bouncy. I like it. I just have to play with it more, guys, and get it to the style I want, because some of the curls are a bit tight right now, and that's of course, but I don't like them this tight, so I will be brushing it out some. And you will see this in more videos. Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed my content. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then, guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed here on the screen as well as down below in the description. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys have a blessed day.